Devin from HeatMaster here, wanting to talk to you and show you our G-Series high-efficiency wood boiler. For anyone out there that's already burning wood, it's not going to be that different from what you have, except this wood boiler uses gasification. Now, gasification is just a fancy word for saying the fire burns upside down and burns up the smoke. But what does it actually mean? What it means is that you're going to burn less wood and it's going to burn a lot cleaner. So you have all the benefits of an indoor wood stove or fireplace as far as heating goes, but what you don't get is the mess inside, like the bugs, the smoke, having to take wood in and ashes out. Our HeatMaster G-Series wood boilers can be installed indoors or outdoors. For those of you that aren't familiar with how a wood boiler works, it's actually pretty simple. You load wood in your firebox, the wood burns, it heats up the water surrounding your furnace. That hot water is then pumped to whichever building you want to heat, whether it's a barn, a shop, a house, a garage, through a series of underground insulated lines. After the water is pumped inside, you run it through a heat exchanger. It can be a forced air heat exchanger, a water to air heat exchanger, a water to water heat exchanger. It works with almost any existing heating system. One of the best parts about a wood boiler is it provides just as much, if not more, heat than an indoor wood stove. But you don't have to worry about the mess inside. You don't have to take wood in. You don't have to worry about the smoke. You don't have to bring ashes in. You don't need bugs. You don't need mice in your house. All that mess stays outside. We've talked about the mess inside. Some of you might be wondering, okay, what's the maintenance? How do I clean it? Well, a couple of the very popular features of the HeatMaster G-Series wood boiler is the Easy Clean handle. What the Easy Clean handle does is move the spirals up and down inside the turbulators, which means no manual scraping, no manual cleaning, no mess for you. Another very popular feature on our HeatMaster G-Series boilers is our smokeless loading. By opening the smoke bypass handle, you can suck the flame and the heat out of the chimney, which means it doesn't come back at you while you're loading. HeatMaster wood boilers are the longest lasting, easiest to use, most efficient in the industry. HeatMaster furnaces are built in Winkler, Manitoba. For those of you who don't know, Manitoba has some of the harshest winters in North America. If it can work here, it can work anywhere. If you want more information, visit our Boiler Basics page.